Today I'm going to show you how to test to see which two substances are the mystery mixture. First thing you're going to want to do when you get to your lab station is put on some goggles, and you will also want to open your science notebook to page 11. There's a few new things to introduce you to today. One is a water dropper has been added to your well tray. The mystery mixture has been put in a vial and added to your tray of substances, and you'll be dealing with this device, which is a clear plastic. Actually, this is the well tray. It has 12 different wells. You can see the picture on the screen. They're numbered, and you should pay attention to the numbers because they match up with your science notebook. The first thing you're going to want to do is look at page 11. You can see the directions here. The well number says substance 1 should be the mystery mixture. And the procedure you're going to do is you're going to take the mystery mixture. You can open it up, and inside each of these containers is a tiny little spoon. The end of the spoon is extremely small. You don't need much substance to do this test. You just fill it up to a level scoopful. It's really a tiny amount. And as you can see, well number 1 is the substance is the mystery mixture. You'll just put the mystery mixture, one little scoopful, into well number 1. When you're done scooping a substance, put the cap back on. Replace your vial to the tray. Then you will add 10 drops of water to that well. And unscrew it, do 10 drops, and on your page 11 in your notebook, you'll record the results. This is where the interesting part happens. Since when you're doing the mystery mixture, you are actually not going to be testing two substances. So you can just X off substance 2. You still want to record the results. For today's test, you will be running at least 12 tests in your notebook on page 11. For example, you can test any two substances you want to see if the result of their mixture and adding water looks like the mystery mixture. So for example, let's say you think that it might be sucrose and magnesium sulfate. You would record those. I'm just going to do the chemical formula because it's a little bit easier. You'd record those two substances in your science notebook, and since I put well number 2, this experiment would take place in well number 2 of my well tray. And just like you did with the mystery mixture, you take a tiny scoopful of sugar, tiny, add it to well 2, put the cap back on your vial, add a tiny scoopful of magnesium sulfate to well 2. You would add 10 drops of water and record the results on your page. We're going to try to collect as much data as possible today. So even if you think you found the mystery mixture, run at least 12 tests, if not more, of different substances that it could be. We're going to look for any two substances that form a reaction today. See how many you can find. When you've done enough tests and recorded your data, it is time to clean up. Leaving your goggles on, you will run your well tray under water, and you can even use your finger to clean out the different wells. Make it so the next class who comes in has a clean well tray to do their experiments with.